Live. A 9th measles case is now confirmed here in Florida. And so we're on your side tonight with information that health experts say could potentially save your child's life. Tonight, immunization rates for Florida students are lower than they've been in more than a decade. This is according to data from the Florida Department of Health. As our Renata DiGregorio is on your side reporting, Duval County falls at the bottom of the list, right, Renata?
Yeah, Duval County has the lowest immunization rate for 7th graders in the entire state, health department data shows. Now, right now, we know from that data there are no reported cases of measles in Duval County. But as health experts explain, kids are more at risk now, and more kids are at risk now than there have been in more than a decade.
I have a 3-year-old daughter named Kylie. She's just a ball of energy. As you can see, all these toys everywhere.
Jacksonville dad Joel Jimenez has been paying attention to the measles outbreak. Now 9 cases in children in Broward County and 1 in an adult in Polk County, according to the Florida Department of Health.
I mean, it's scary. You know, you don't want to watch your kid. It's the worst thing to watch your kid catch any kind of sickness.
It's important to note, says UF Health Director of Infection Prevention Chad Nielsen, most people in Florida are vaccinated for measles. However,
measles is extremely contagious, and if you have an unvaccinated child around measles, they have almost a 100% chance of getting it.
The latest Florida Health Department data from the 2021-2022 school year shows Duval County 7th graders have the lowest immunization rates in Florida for vaccinations overall, 84%. That's 10% lower than the state average, and no other counties are even below 90%. Immunization rates for Duval kindergartners are slightly higher at 89.5%, but still one of the lowest in the state and below state average.
You need about 95% of the population to be vaccinated against measles in order to sort of stop an outbreak from happening.
Measles was declared eliminated from the U.S. in 2000. Now, parents like Jimenez
We want to make sure she stays safe, most of all.
are keeping it on their radars, something that hasn't needed to be done in at least 24 years. Florida Surgeon General told Broward County parents that they could decide whether their child would stay home. Nielsen says that you should recommend following the CDC guidance, which is that a child that's unvaccinated who is exposed to measles stays isolated for 3 weeks. We'll have the signs and symptoms for measles up on this story on firstcoastnews.com. Reporting live in Jacksonville, Renata DiGregorio, First Coast News, on your side.